So there's little holes in here. And they only work so good, so you really got to get the thing out and use some of this stuff. And you can get it in there, and then you work that one in there too. But it wasn't spinning that good before, so we'll see how it does. So you put that back in there, and you wiggle that out of there. It's probably easier to put it in first, but then you won't be able to access the bolts down here. So you'll have to get this completely lined up. If you put it in there wrong, it'll hit that. So you got to make sure you got it on there right. It is possible to, with some of these, put them in wrong. These ones do appear to have the little locating dimples on the bottom of the frame. I'm going to pause this while I do the rest of this. Yeah, doesn't spin real fast. Not moving a lot of anything. I don't know really what they were thinking when they did this. I think it should be moving more air, to be honest, but compared to the 101 series, seems like they move more air. See, I'll line back up in there with this bracket. And, don't go too tight on it because it's going to the aluminum. Real easy to strip that.